Hey, what's up, everybody? What's going on, Ryan? I'm pretty good. Thanks for Almighty God. Today we gotta take a look on two easily confused collocations, and I'll try to show you the way how we can use these two collocations in our everyday speaking, right? In our everyday conversation as we are, right? So, pour in, pour at. What I think is the difference between these two easily confused collocations? They seem the same, but they're completely different. It couldn't be the same by any way, by any aspect, right? Structurally, they're going to be different, right? In pattern wise, they're going to be different. So the thing that I'm going to do right away is trying to show you how these two collocations are used in different meaning and used in different pattern as well, right? Pour at. We basically use pour at when we're talking about abilities and skills. I am poor at maths. I am poor at English. Poor at plus noun. But when they are followed by a verb, the form of the verb that comes after them is the gerund, the verb ing. For example, I am poor in speaking. Poor at speaking. Not poor at. I am poor at speaking. I am poor at writing. I am poor at reading. So we need to have the verb, which is in the gerund form, which is in the verb ing form. When the word that comes after them is a verb, when the word that comes after poor at is a verb, we need to have the gerund after them. We need to have the ing form of the verb. So the example that I gave you before with regard to that is the best example to show you how these two expressions are basically different in pattern wise, right? Structurally. And the next one is pour in. It is used to talk about lack of something. It is used to talk about lack of something. Usually money and natural resource. The country is poor in natural resource. The country is poor in natural resource. This is the way how these two collocations are going to be different in usage wise, in pattern wise, right? We're not expected to have the same pattern. If you are asked to use these collocations to construct sentences, if we are asked to use these collocations in the kind of conversation we are going to have right away with our friends, we need to understand what makes them different. We need to understand the pattern and the way how we can use these collocations in the right way, because that makes them to be meaningful, right? So this is what I have for today. Follow for more, everybody. Thank you for the time you had.